I've been testing NVIDIA's new desktop supercomputer, the DGX Spark, for local inference, and I'm impressed. The Ministral 314B model barely touches the Spark's resources, while anecdotally delivering quality on par with ChatGPT's free version. For most enterprise LLM use cases, proofreading, search, retrieval, etc., this is more than enough, which means there is increasingly a compelling option for companies looking to shift operational expense into capital expense. Putting one of these on every desk would give companies powerful self-contained capabilities without relying on frontier labs. I know, I know. The Spark at $4,000 is more of a dev lab and isn't really meant for inference like this, but something like the Strix Halo, which you can get for $2,500, shows a trend towards local inference that I think will end up being the norm. My take: models will eventually follow the trajectory of CPUs. The technology outpaces the initial use cases, and the real value creation opportunities will shift to the infrastructure and application layer.